If they gave an award for courage in everyday life, we know a whole lot of people who would deserve one. Because for more than 50 years, Memorial Hospital has nurtured courage in patients facing all types of cancer. And it's their courage that we carry forward with every new patient we treat. We've assembled the largest group of cancer specialists in the region, offering unique screening programs, robotic technology, stress reduction programs, and nutritional counseling, all dedicated to making cancer a thing of the past. But beating cancer for good is the greatest award of all. Memorial Regional Cancer Center, saving lives.